Hey guys, what's up? It's your boy Marcus Smith. Listen, Sundays are for chilling, relaxing, okay? Letting your mind take a nice little mental break, all right? We all love to do that. We all love to let our hair down, but we also want to be mindful, right, of our nutrition, just not let it go all the way to hell, okay? So what I'm gonna do today is I'm gonna show you guys how to make a nice, healthy, whole wheat banana waffle. Are you with me? Let's do this. The first thing we're gonna need is a large mixing bowl, okay? We're gonna start with our dries first, okay? So our whole wheat flour, baking powder, cinnamon, nutmeg, and salt. Okay, we're gonna put them all in here, mix it all up, and get going. Now we're gonna need a small bowl here, and we're gonna go with our liquid. Bananas in here, smash those up, pour the liquids in. I'm the best masher out there, I tell you. With a fork. Now obviously you wanna have a masher, but we're gonna use what we got, okay? Okay? All mashed. Store egg in that joint, boom. Coconut oil, bam. 2 tablespoons of maple syrup. Sometimes I don't measure. I get it from my mama. We eyeball, we don't measure, we eyeball. Yeah, that look about right. All right, now we're gonna combine the two. We got our wets, we got our dries. Now we're just gonna mix the two. Okay, so our lid is closed. Our waffles are cooking. Our house is smelling good. We're gonna try to leave it alone for a few minutes, and then we're gonna crack this bad boy open and see what we got. Bam! There you go, ladies and gentlemen. There is a God.